My amazing viewers, let's prepare Nigerian stew today. We'll be using cucumber and beetroot for this preparation. We'll not use the fresh tomatoes. Wow, this is the outcome of this stew. Can't you see it? Looking very nice and tasting very great. In fact, this combination is so nice, it's so tasty, very good that when you taste it, wow, you may not be able to use fresh tomatoes for your stew again. In fact, just give it a try. Follow me from the beginning of this video to the end. Watch the process, the procedure I used, and give it a try, and you'll never regret it. Check out this water from the cucumber and the beetroot. Imagine, see the drink, very healthy drink and very nutritious. So let's get started. These are the ingredients I used for the preparation. Already washed my protein with salt. This is curry powder, thyme, then salt for the seasoning, little bit of salt, then bay leaf, 2 pieces of bay leaf, mashed garlic, seasoning cube, 1 cube. This is chicken stock, half of it, pepper soup spice, half of it, sliced onion, pepper, mashed pepper. Give it a good mix and cover it. Allow it to release its own water. It has done that now. So I'll add my own water and cover it to cook till tender. Peeling the back of my cucumber because I don't want the green color to interfere with my red color. I prefer the red color. Even the middle part of it, I will slice it out. I don't want it to be part of it. And as well, you have to taste the cucumber. If it's not bitter, you go ahead. If it's bitter, you change it. This is my beetroot. I'll slice it into smaller pieces so that it will be easy to blend in my blender. I should have added cucumber a little bit, just little bit of cucumber before adding the beetroot, so that it will blend first and release some water so that the beetroot will be easy to blend as well. But I just found a way around it, and let's see how it goes. This is it, blending it. I'm done blending it to a certain level. I'll now transfer the cucumber into it and blend everything together until I achieve a very good paste, a very finely grinded paste. Let's check it and see. Yes, I think we have achieved that. Yes, the paste, there is no seed inside, so we'll now drain some water out of it by using this sieve. It's a double net sieve. As you can see how I'm trying to remove some water. You don't remove the water completely, you remove like 80% of water from the mixture. This is it. This is the outcome of it. It's looking just like tomato paste. We'll now set aside, and in a dry pot, just add our vegetable oil, then bay leaf, 2 pieces of bay leaf, then our onion. You mix it and allow it to dry. This is little bit of tomato paste. Just mix it for like 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll now introduce my baking soda. This baking soda will remove the sour taste in that tin tomato. Now mix it a bit, and now put the blended cucumber and beetroot. Now mix it. Oh, wow, see the combination is looking like just tomato paste, no difference. Look at it. We'll now introduce the remaining spices. I usually measure my ingredients, my spices, and for the cooking, and I will add the first batch, and much later I'll add the remaining batch. This is the remaining part of the pepper soup spice. This is chicken stock. The remaining part of it. I'll now give it a mix. Then my seasoning cube, I used two here, the second one, and give it a mix. The mashed red pepper, just added it. Next thing is the protein. I'll now add the protein and give it a mix. If the thickness is okay, I'll go by it, but it's not okay by me. I just added little bit of water. Then I'll stir it and taste if the taste is okay. If it's not okay, I'll adjust with anything remaining, but it's okay by me. So I'll cover it and cook. Allow it to cook for some minutes and check the taste again if it's okay. Then the stew is ready. This is it. Wow. Can't you see it? Wow. This is amazing. I like what I am seeing. In fact, I am in love with this stew. In fact, everybody in my family concluded that no more fresh tomato stew in our family. In fact, everybody loved the stew, the taste, the aroma, everything. The color is so awesome. It's so good. Very tasty. We enjoyed it so much. I wish you will give it a try and thank yourself for doing that. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you got value from this video, don't hesitate to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for staying till this moment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you for always stopping by to watch my videos. Thank you for the shares, for the like. Thank you for the good comments, for the amazing comments you always leave. Thank you and God bless you. This is the outcome of the food. Wow. I paired it with white rice. Another benefit of this method is this drink. The water from the cucumber and beetroot is a very healthy drink. It's very, very healthy and so nice. I almost finished a cup at a go. This is it. Just remained little bit of it, and this is the leftover, the remaining one. This is so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.